Wow, friends, I cannot even believe how gorgeous it is for the end of January. I am in just a sweatshirt. It feels like springtime, and we had just a beautiful sunny drive to our local city, did a Walmart grocery pickup, stopped at Aldi, ran to my sister's house to get some size up clothes for my oldest daughter because she was in need of some more winter clothes, and I have nieces that hand clothes down, so that was perfect. So it is lunchtime. The littlest guy had a nap on the way here. I have a ton of groceries to unload and take care of, but it's just such a gorgeous day. Like, praise the Lord for this random week of 55-degree weather in the upper Midwest. Like, we've had no snow most of the winter, which is a bummer, unfortunate, because we do need moisture, but winter is not done. Let me tell you that. We still can have 3 or 4 more months of winter, but I am gonna soak this up. I'm gonna open those windows, and I'm gonna bring you along on the next day or two because I haven't officially really blogged or vlogged, sorry, for you guys in quite some time. So I hope you enjoy coming along as I just bring you on what the day is like. Like I said, it's already almost lunchtime. We're gonna get the groceries put away. We're gonna get food made for lunch, just some leftovers, and we're going to just enjoy the beautiful end of January that we've got. All right, for my lunch, after kids are fed and down for some nap, I felt like having the last of we had some Fage yogurt left, lots of good protein. I mixed some cottage cheese in, and then I put a scoop of PB2 Pure and some cacao nibs. Those are really good, has a nice crunch because I'm still doing no sugar, it's still January. I'll slice a little banana in there. And then this is the last of my sourdough granola that I made in a couple videos ago. So I'll add that on top, mix it all in, stir that together. Delicious. It's not sweet because that is unsweetened. All of it's unsweetened. So sometimes, like, we have some Date Lady syrup. I'll add a little bit of that. Otherwise, I'll just leave it how it is. I really like it. So I'll enjoy that while I get these 2 arrangements in a vase. So I got one for myself and one for a friend who just had twins. So I also get to make a meal for her tomorrow and her family. So they're really close friends. I have a mama and baby and kids gift ideas that I need to put together tonight as well. So and I'm gonna make some lactation cookies for her because nursing too is double the work. So we got to meet the little babes a couple of days ago, and they are not even a week old. Oh, today, they're a week old today. So it's fun to share and give to new mamas. So I'll be making a meal tomorrow for them. And then make a few things. Like, I like to make a breakfast food, like even if it's just banana bread or something to send along, some fruit, and then I'll be making either a broccoli salad or a side salad or something to go with some homemade pizza because we'll stay and visit for a while and maybe even eat with them. I don't know. It's nice when they're closer friends. So that is what I need to do a little prep on today and enjoy my lunch, get those flowers all cut and in a vase, and enjoy the windows being open. Like, it's just, oh, I love it. That fresh air blowing the curtains, the breeze, that 55-degree weather. Spring fever is here, but I need to take it easy because, like I said, we still got lots of months of winter left in South Dakota. I've got you guys in the kitchen, I want to share a little kitchen update. I've been working on painting the cabinets. It's still going to be white. It's not going to be anything drastic and super colorful. I really like the neutrals. If you didn't know, I added these battery operated sconces to grace each side of our window there. And then I just felt the urge to update the kitchen cabinetry, which included paint, new handles, and new hinges. So I've been running into an issue though, because I can't find anything that matches the colors that I want, or at least the right color. So this handle, this pole, I really like it a lot. And then we found a hinge that is newer. These cabinets, as you can see, are very flat. This house was built in the 60s, and I think these cabinets are from the 60s. Like, they're pink underneath a green. So when we renovated the kitchen 7 years ago, just did like a facelift, then we painted it. And so these cabinet poles do not match any of the hinges. Okay, and then these hinges have like a snap-in hinge, so they're actually like just 1/4 of an inch too big, so they don't close all the way. And I had ordered a bunch thinking it's perfect. I measured, I double-checked. Husband went to install them. We even filled in the old holes where the hinges were, the previous hinges, so that we could screw in the new holes. Didn't work. So we ordered these new ones, which are a lot more expensive, but I like the color. Like, they match the sconces so much better. They do not, I don't know if the camera is showing it well, they do not match this like champagne handle. So anyways, this is becoming a long story for updates. That usually happens sometimes, that I need to get new cabinet poles, I think. And besides, some of these don't cover where the old ones were, so there's like a few gaps, a few areas where grooves were. So I liked these, but I just don't think they're gonna work right. And then these hinges don't work, so we're gonna be getting more expensive ones, unfortunately. But I want it to be something I really like, and I want it to change the color from a silver. And so I think we're gonna do these hinges no matter what. Maybe we'll keep these handles. I mean, on camera you can't tell, right? You can't really tell that it's that different, and they're not like right next to each other. But there is my kitchen update for you. So some of the cabinets are still off too, because they don't fit right with those other hinges on. And our basement is being renovated, so there's like nowhere to put these, especially when I'm painting with little kids around, so that hands don't touch the paint, and it's too cold outside to leave the cabinet or the cupboards outside and paint them in the garage. So that's where we're at with the kitchen update. I have not finished painting all of the cabinetry, so I've done most of these on this side, but I have not done any of these uppers yet. So like here, if you can tell, there's like a few little scuff marks there, and here's the old hinges. So nothing matches. But anyways, that's my kitchen update for you, and hopefully there will be a kitchen reveal in the next couple weeks, because I really want to get this project done. I hate leaving projects unfinished, but when you have to keep reordering and keep retrying, we don't have a hardware store with these type of handles and hinges close by. We have to travel anyway, so ordering from Amazon is my best bet sometimes anyways. So there is my kitchen update for you. So I am done making some banana bread for the couple with the new twins, and I need to do a few other things. I actually did think about painting today, but I think I'm gonna go through my daughter's tote of clothes she got to see what I need to store away for her future sizes and what I need to put in her drawer right now. So let's do that. I am actually getting supper prepped already because I actually have a massage this evening right before supper time, like at 5:15. So we're just having tuna casserole or tuna hot dish, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you what. I get this tuna, skipjack wild caught, so it's a little fresher tuna. And then I'm gonna try these noodles with it today, and then I'll put peas in it. I'm just sauteing onion and garlic right now. We'll use our raw milk in there and thicken it up with like some einkorn flour or arrowroot powder, or if I had cornstarch I'd use that. But that'll be a delicious, easy meal. I'll have some frozen mixed veg to go with it, or make a side salad or something like that. So I'm doing that. It's about 3 o'clock. The girls are watching some Peter Rabbit, and little guy is eating a snack right here. So then we'll head outside and play. That's why I wanted to get this prepped, so we can be outside. And I'll just sit there, I'll throw it in the oven, so that when I get home from my massage, we can all eat together. Let's head outside. Got my electrolyte water and some sunshine. That's a big one. Wow.
I pay all of mine.
Can you look up?
I pay all of mine.
Good job.
Mom, I pay all mine.
Okay.
Oh my.
Well, my massage was really nice. I got home a little bit later actually than anticipated, so we all ate together. The tuna casserole, some frozen broccoli that was steamed, easy enough meal, delicious, filling, worked well. And then now kiddos are in bed after their bathe, kind of got their bedtime routine done, and so hopefully they just all fall fast asleep because of all that fresh air and the errands we ran, and because I'm feeling it. So after that nice massage, I just kind of feel ready to relax, and so I poured my husband and I some tea. I'm having the Good Earth sweet and spicy, caffeine free, and I gave my husband the Stash mango passion fruit herbal teas. And then I'm gonna have a Chalk Zero little square. It's 92% cacao, stevia sweetened, so there's no actual like refined sugar, even honey or maple syrup in there. So I'm gonna enjoy that. My husband and I will probably just sit and relax. I took care of a little bit of business I needed to take care of after the kiddos went to bed, and found the packages that came on our front doorstep to finish my new mama gift basket. It's not all completely put together, but like a little travel sized shampoos and conditioners for their new little babies, the Honest brand. I really like that brand. And then I'm gonna just put some little snacks and goodies together for the new mom, and just some like chapstick and some lotion for her, just kind of a care package for her as well. And then just throw in a few books I found at the thrift store for the kiddos, because she has 2 older kids that are my older kids this age as well. So that'll be kind of the little care package that I give them when we take them the meal tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed today. It was something different again for me to vlog. I kind of enjoy it, just being able to talk to you guys on camera. And yeah, I'll be coming back for another video next week, Thursday. So hope you guys get to enjoy February and just all that that month brings for you wherever you're at, whether it's cold and snowy and windy or whether you're in the sun. So we'll talk with you in the next one.